In the context of driving, serial faults typically refer to repeated or consistent mistakes made by a driver during a driving test or assessment. These faults are usually categorized into specific areas such as observation, control, positioning, signaling, or judgment errors. Here are some examples of serial faults that might occur during a driving test: observation faults, failing to check mirrors before signaling, not properly scanning for hazards at intersections or while changing lanes, or failing to use rear view mirrors effectively. Control faults, poor handling of the vehicle, such as jerky steering, abrupt braking, or stalling the engine. Positioning faults, incorrect positioning within the lane, straddling lanes, or failing to maintain appropriate distances from other vehicles or objects. Signaling faults, forgetting to signal when required, signaling too late or too early, or failing to cancel signals after completing a maneuver. Judgment faults, making incorrect decisions, such as misjudging the speed or distance of other vehicles, failing to yield when necessary, or not anticipating potential hazards. During a driving test, examiners assess these aspects of driving performance to determine whether the candidate meets the required standards for safe and competent driving. Repeated occurrences of any of these faults can lead to failing the driving test. Therefore, it's essential for drivers to address and correct these serial faults through practice and instruction to improve their driving skills and pass the test successfully.